1、2。
皆さん、こんにちは。まさきです。お帰りなさい。元気ですか？ Welcome back to the Simple Japanese Learning video. I'm so happy that you opened this video. Please enjoy learning Japanese here. This is the 7th video. Today, I will teach you the numbers from 1 to 10,000 in Japanese. Now you may be like, wait, what? I can't remember so many numbers at one time. I see. Don't worry. You can calm down. Actually, Japanese counting system is super simple. It's like from 1 to 10, 11 is 10 and 1, 20 is 210, 30 is 310, and so on. Just it, nothing difficult. So let's give it a try. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Okay, first, from 1 to 10. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for 4, we also say shi, and 7, we also say shichi. So it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, once again. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. 9 and 10, it's actually ki, yu, u. But this u is smaller, so we combine the sound, so we say kyu, kyu, u. So actually two sounds, kyu, u. A similar thing, it's ji, u, u, but this u is small one, so the sound is combined, so we say ju, u. Two sounds, ju, u, kyu, u, ju, u. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this might help. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。もう一回。11。
So from 11 to 20. As I talked, 11 is like 10, 1. So we say 11. 10 is 10. And 1 is 1. So 11 is 11. 11. And similar to this, 12 is 10, 2. So we say 12. 13 is 10, 3. So it's 13. Okay. So 14, 14. 15, 15. 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, we say 2, 10. So 20 is 20. 2 is 2 and 10 is 10. 20. So once again, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay. From 21 to 30, it's similar to 11 to 20. So for example, 21 is 21. So we say 21. 20 is 20. So 21 is 21. Okay. 22, 22. 23, 23. 24, 24. 25, 25. 26, 26. 27, 27. 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, what do you think? 30 is 310, so 30, 30. So similar to before, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And since the 4 is 4, so 40 would be 40. Okay, as you see, there are no exceptions so far. So 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90. So next, 100. In Japanese, 100 is 100, 100. It might be a tricky sound, but we say 100, 100. It's actually hi, ya, ku, but this ya is also smaller one, so we say hya. It's combined, so hyaku, like this, hyaku. Okay, let's see some examples. So if we say 101, it's 101, and 102, 102, something like that. And if it's 123, it will be 123. 100, 100, 20, 20, 3. So 123, 123. If it's 200, we say 2 first and 100. So it's like English, 200, 200, 200, 200. And 300, it's 300, 300. So this is exception. We say 300 instead of 300. So it's 300, 300. 400, 400, 400. 500, 500. 600, this is also exception. 600, 600. 600, 600. This is actually 2, but it's smaller, so it means just a slight pause. So 600, 600. In Roman alphabet, we put double P in this case. 700, 700, 700. 800, this is also an exception. 800, 800, 800. 900, 900, 900. If you want to say 999, it will be 999. 999. So why these three are the exceptions? Unfortunately, I'm not really sure even though I looked up, but similar thing will happen when you count something in Japanese. So in the future lessons, we will see. Next, 次です。thousand. It's in Japanese, 1000, 1000, 1000. 1000 is 1000. 1001 is 1001. 1002 is 1002. So let's see more examples. If you want to say 1234, it's like 1234. So 1234. 1234. Okay. 2000, 2000. 3000, it's 3000. 3000. So this is also an exception. 3000. 4000, 4000. 5000, 5000. 6000, 6000. 7000, 7000. 8000, 8000. This is also a little bit different from 8, but we say 8000. 8000. This is small too, so it means a slight pause. 8000. 8000. 9000, it's 9000. Okay, if you want to say 9999, it will be 9999. 9000, 9000, 900, 900, 90, 99. 9999. Okay, so you're almost there. Finally, 10,000. In English, we say 10,000, but in Japanese, we don't say like that. It's man. And especially if we say 10,000, it's 1,000. 1 10,000. 1,000. 10,001, it's 1,001. 10,002, 1,002. Something like this. And if you want to say just like this, 12,345. In Japanese, 12,345. Okay? So 12,000, we just say to 10,000. So it's 2만, 2만, okay? 99,999. It will be 99,999. So great job. And lastly, I would like to tell you about this word, yen. It means yen. It's the Japanese currency. So for example, if you find this in our shop in Japan, we read it 100 yen. 100 yen, 100 yen. 100. So yen is a Japanese currency, so you will often see this yen sign and hear people say this n after numbers when you come to Japan. So it's good to remember. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. ありがとうございます。If you want to have this lesson text by Google Documents, you can download it from the description. And also, if you would like to have a personal lesson or ask me questions directly, please contact me by email. I will give you free counseling and trial lessons. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. ありがとうございます。The next video will be about basic verbs in Japanese. それでは皆さん、良い一日を。いってらっしゃい。